I was having a conversation with my young adult daughter the other day, and she was actually complaining that she doesn't like the internet because everyone and their mama has an opinion. Unfortunately, you tend to get it whether you solicited it or not. It made me think of Colossians 3:23, which says, "And whatever you do, do it heartily as the Lord and not men." I had to ask myself, is the way that I show up and take space in this world concerned about the opinions of others? Listen, it can be hard when you pour your heart into something and then the feedback or the comments you receive makes you think, well, if I only would have said it this way, or if I would have left that out. When your motivation to share is to please God, it may not always line up with the opinions of others, and that's completely okay. We want God's approval, not man's applause. So you may be leading a meeting, cleaning your home, hosting a live event, or showing up in some form for a dream that hasn't quite blossomed yet. Whatever it is, do it with excellence as an act of worship. And here's a little side note. I said excellence. I didn't say perfection. When our work becomes worship, we actually see the disappointment, the discouragement fade away because we begin to focus on God and what He has for us and what He's telling us. So instead of asking who's watching or what will they think or say, the real question is, am I doing this for God? Now that's a question worth asking. See you tomorrow for another 1 Minute on Purpose.